Why am I doing Discuss-a-thon? I'm doing Discuss-a-thon because how much money have I actually made so far? Would I quit YouTube if I wasn't getting paid? What's the hardest part about being consistent? Do views actually mean money? Yes, but what's good, guys?
Danger.
It's your boy Petrosificationalism. Okay, wait. Back again with another. Guys, day 15, man. Jabo. I'm about to do a mukbang. Favorite food. Oh, God. This is. I wanna like it best kota like Aslam. Kota keke. I'm sure Baning Namaz Keke's kitchen, you know. More Keke's kitchen. Comment up. It's kota and when kota nganganyangiti. Katlaka sangayu la gula ngangiti. So neti, you know. We go shy tea cause we like abandon of band of it. So in today's video, I'm just gonna sit down and talk to you guys just about Nkazi said since we Palamagi day 15, it's like today is the half day. It's the half of the challenge, the 30-day challenge. Like day 15. So yeah, we're just gonna chillax and talk. Yeah, well, I've prepared some questions in Android. So like, comment, share and subscribe.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Be free. I spend my time alone.
So, first question. Why am I doing this 30-day challenge? Why am I doing this 30-day challenge? Gassiton. Okay. Why am I doing Discuss-a-thon? I'm doing Discuss-a-thon because from day like mina ngibukela ama streamer kakhulu, yabo. So Kaisinet, I Show Speed, Sonwabile, Hotshot, Aaron, yabo. And then into engi noticeile ngalabantu labo, every time before bazoyenza into enkulu, like baba like yabona like fana no Kaisinet yonke into makayenza like fana ne Kaisinet angithushaya I Mafiathon for 30 days straight ntsali live, yabo. Njalo uzibekela ama target and then yawa reach lawo ama target, but then akawa reach kuphela uyaspana, uyangithola. So no, Sonwabile uyenzile emoyeni thon. I don't know how many days and I stream for how many days, but then the 1,000 subscribers I would switch to night hall. Uyangithola. No Hotshot Aaron, same thing. Sabathon wenzile kanjalo and then I told I show speed baranga target, but then we say we streaming for 30 days straight, not 30 days like the whole of Onkama country here, Africa. And then our results are told. So one thing for sure I've learned from them is that when you work, our results are. So you go 80k subs. I thought when go 78k subs. Ngaba ne idea, man. Like usually mina mangicabanga. Sometimes like into mangicabanga nocabanga ukuthi ayazini into edlulayo ngiyacabanga ngiyadlula but le Kasiton nanoma ngidla baba nokuyicabanga ngidlile singayiphupha nini ekuseni mangivuka still ngisayicabanga lento le njalo like ihlala isemqondweni wawaya ngathi angiyenza. So I did this 30-day challenge for ukuzigaya to actually see ukuthi ngintswembuva yabo and then ngizigaya i-target yabo each because of angithi sifuna le 100,000 subscribers. So I wanted to see if it's possible just to post for 30 days like uthi can I do it yabo into engizibhekele yona uthi mina can I do this thing. So that's why ngicala riding day and then since ngiqalile ngiyabona ngiyapost every day alikho lamala ngiyapost ngiyayenza lento le just that nina unsubscribe and you're not going to help the channel grow because of the views are there but then the subs yabo. So and manje mangicheck ama stats abaningi benu you just watch and then you don't subscribe and then that it doesn't help the channel grow. So I need you guys to help me grow in order because of me. Now I'm helping you guys. I'm not helping you guys. I'm creating you guys. You creating content for you guys so that sonke sibe mnandi yabo. But I need you guys to help me to grow. So subscribe in there. So I'm doing this Kasiton to reach 200,000 subscribers. Not only that, so I'm just driving YouTube algorithm with the channel I'm active. You understand? And then I'm gonna decide which is 10 out of I mean, whether I get 200k subs or not by the end of the Kasiton, that's not the main focus. The main focus is to post 30 videos every day. So we'll see the results. I'm sorry, it's quite hiding there. But it is pairs. Finally, trailer. I want a trailer link shifting and about my tag. Yabona, like you, that's dialing it deep. Nike deep, Mari. Who's on shy trailer? Bonnie, nabo. How njalo before yenza something kuba ne-trade yenza abantu babe impact yabona like zonke lento we have learned a lot and we have learned a lot yabo. How much money have I actually made so far? How much money have I made so far? I've made. Nah, I can't tell you that. No, I can't. So, Zanchela, but so far, that's Samba Sharp. Would I quit YouTube if I wasn't getting paid? I wouldn't quit YouTube if I wasn't getting paid cause YouTube saying I'm over 11,000 subscribers or 12,000 subscribers because bengazi man was like seriously mad because I was only doing content because I love content and I love being out there. So and then iletha khona ngiletha verification kanje ithatha isikhathi ukufika ngaye eMzansi eKaslam yikithi ithatha isikhathi ukufika so bengakwazi ukuverify la ku YouTube so that I can get paid. So I've been doing content ngahaf but manje would I like now since sengiqalile ukubhadala leave YouTube if I won't leave it but I won't. Paramount I spend isikhathi sami sonke trying to create videos and yonke lento le. So if maybe angisabhadalwa I won't leave YouTube but ngizoba focus on something else ezongenza ezongigaya inyuka yabona for ukuthi while ngiyenza whatever ngiyenzayo then YouTube will still do it for fun if maybe angisabhadala kuyangithola. But I hope one day I'll be doing YouTube for fun, not as the main source of income. Yeah, bro. What's the hardest part about being consistent? When I'm being consistent, no? It takes a lot. Go consistent, go funa into by mentally maybe be grand because of that then you train. You train am ukuthi kumele uvuke ekseni every day, kumele uvuke ekseni, kumele ushoot, kumele post. This that. And so every day kumele uvuke ekseni, kumele ushoot, kumele post. Mind yogawa like ekuningi. But so the hardest part about being consistent is kumele uhlale ugenerate ama ideas kanje na kanje. Phela ingqondo yomuntu iyakhathala baba yo. Ingqondo yomuntu iyakhathala. Angithola ingqondo yomuntu iyakhathala. Umuntu uyadinga ukuthi areste. So yonke into ifuna strategy in order ukuthi uzoshada and then ube consistent. Idinga strategy because of kumele edit, kumele angakabi ne team ukuthi umuntu angedithele, umuntu wenzani bezoba simple kanje. But manje kumele ngihlanganise ama video, kumele ngiedit, kumele nginike sure ama thumbnails akhona, kumele make sure ukuthi ngiyadropa ngesikhathi, kumele make sure ukuthi every single day kune video edropayo. Uma kudropa le video le kumele ngibe ngicabanga ukuthi kusasa yini enye video kumele idrope kusasa. So like there's a lot, but it's a good thing because ama views uyawabona and then uyayibona i-channel yakho angithola like that's why yabona advice enganikayo mina to all the small creators and everything, just make sure ukuthi you post, just post. Yangithola ube consistent uzobona like ama results ahlala khona ngoba consistent because of YouTube algorithm yakujwayela ukuthi wena active, uyabona into ngiyane ezinjalo. So yeah, that's the hardest part though. The hardest part is just yakushaya mentally yo. Maybe be prepared mentally. No more. Come on. Super. Okay, so do views actually mean money? Yes, but also into it depends on sometimes if video it's 10 minutes angeke ukuthi video like let's say video at 10 minutes na 20k views ne video ya 1 hour ina 20k views angeke zilethe imali ngokufana because of le enye langa. Ngithola kahle into important ama watch hours, how long is your videos and how like ukuthi abantu abukela i-video yakhe isikhathi esingakanani because of abanye abantu mfethu banokubukela leyo part encane nani. So most of the time like views actually mean money, but it depends on ukuthi video yakhe how long is your video and then abantu babukela i-video yakho so yabo isikhathi esingakanani. That's why nami encourage abantu bafethu nibukele nama video from the start until the end. Watch my adverts, don't skip the ads. And then subscribe. Mina ngisaseme kule part of subscribe abantu bafethu man. We at 83 now. We are 15 days in and we at 83. But it's good. But still carry on subscribing bafethu. And I love you guys. Okay, so what's the worst thing that ever happened to me recently? Recently I haven't had worst experience because I've been working. As guys in said, but we are halfway there, man. After 30 videos later, I'm gonna go shower more. Like cut it like it's 7 overtime, 7 overtime, but it's gonna be worth it. Yeah, but I'm so tired. Like, yo. Have I ever been broke? Have I ever been broke? Yes, of course I've been broke. Of course. Wonke umuntu ke waba broke. Wonke umuntu ke waba broke. Angisho ukuthi manje ngifitshine man. But kuyaba namalanga ukuthi uyokanyiwa. But isilwisa wona basafunda umalanga lawo ukuthi kube broke. But hey, anokuba khona lawo malanga lawo baba. Yo. Amalanga wepapa namaqandane atsha. Anokuba khona. Biggest mistake I've made this year. Let me see. This any mistake I've done. Not this year, but last year. Yo, spending money recklessly. Yes. I'm a mistake. But not the biggest mistakes though. What do I regret doing? I regret not saving money. I wanna not saving money, man. I need to stack up the money. We'll ball later. Have I ever been betrayed by a friend? No. Nah, yeah, I haven't been betrayed by a friend. Nah. I mean, I'm not going to betray or anything. Which maybe most of the time I'm not with my friends, maybe. Because of me, if I need one, if I need one, balance. And then I'm not about here and there. So it's over scars, which bank betray. I was on betray and sometimes. And then would I share my quarter with my girlfriend? No. I would share. Okay. What's the food I'll never eat again? Food that I will never eat again. Phela mina ngidla yonke into. But ngisazama ukucabanga ukuthi ngeke ngiphinde ngokudla ever again. I think Russian. Because of njalo mangidla Russian, ngiba angiphinya ubudini ama tonsils. So Russian ngeke ngibone ngidla futhi Russian. What would I do if I had 100,000 rands right now? About 100k? No. I'm free mod. I'm sponsor modam. Flying when I'm on vacation. Angithola enye ngiyisave. Angithola ngidonate ngadonate to the community. Psych ngiyadlala baba. Mina ngazidala mina yo ngangizwa kahle. Kimang libitso la ka Petro. Pa nka 500. And then to speak Kenan. Would I date someone broke? Yes, I would date someone broke. I don't care about money. Money is not like happiness. You. Money is happiness, Baba. You. Kabang uba said in a million. And if. But I would date someone broke. Never. Is social media fake? Social media fake. Ukuthi is social media fake? I don't know if nibanguzela via abantu or because of I haven't met like abantu like konke abantu engihlangane nabo ku social media like abaku social media abo flex abuhladi. It's not fake, it was genuine like cheese grand yabo mina ngakahlangani mfethu like nabantu abaya or abantu ukuthi like people in the media space hlangane like namachita grand abo smile abuhladi yabo. So I don't know cause I don't fake nothing. I'm the way I am. Yeah, nabantu mangihlangana nabo they see I'm the way I am. So I don't know if it's fake. I don't even understand the question. Do friends secretly compete with me? No, my friends don't compete with me. In fact, they help me. I'm like I compete. That's why I'm thinking usizo bayanceda baba. Yabo mangithinga usizo bayanceda. So yeah. As in born and ukuthi day 15 in this page. Yabo subscribe guys man. Today man since siyakhuluma kuphela yabo. Siyakhuluma kuphela. But I need you guys to subscribe. If video ithole 36,000 views. Mara maybe below 36,000 views. Nibo my 100 and subscribe. Kanjani? Kala subscribe. Abantu manje sebayibhekathon. I'm begging now. It's a begathon. No man. I need you guys to subscribe. Yabo, subscribe man. As I don't know if he explained that what's the aim of this 30-day challenge. Yabo, I just need you. I want like Petro TV to grow. Yabo, and then nani nibe no content eningi enizoyibukela. Ngiyazi abanye benu thola khona omunye ozibona le video le next month. Yabo, it's not izinto zanu but I'm gathering content ebhasi so that nizobukela nizo-enjoy kube mnandi yabo. This is where I entertain you guys. Yabo. So this one ngisho men to subscribe, men to men, men to women, subscribe man. And then yeah. Akava kunale out le robotini. Ngicocela story time. Ay ngala ngasemamba kunama robot la. Khona le ebe driver in slash convertible, BMW convertible. So ukhalisa like bakadlula kanje. Ukhalisa le ngoma le Pumagi, Mr. Novido, Pumagi. Yabo niyabreka da. Hayi cha. Kunale part le wonke umuntu wase South Africa la yazi. Phela mafika la ukuthi fika le part ukuthi wonke umuntu e South Africa la yazi. Uvela ube busy makukhala leyo part. So bakafika la yakhala leyo part. Uba busy. Apuringa moya bu Pumagi. Subscribe guys man. See you tomorrow again. Day 15 was just to relax and breathe. I'm tired, but I'm doing all of this for you guys. Nyabo. And I'm a man of my word. I told you that I'm supposed to guys, and I am doing it. So I just need you guys to subscribe. See you again on day 16. That's all I need.
Danger in goes.